Alright, thought I'd do a quick tour of our home. Well, I say quick now, but I do tend to be a bit long-winded at times. I will try to spare you from that. We are near an airport within a couple miles, so you might occasionally hear aircraft sound. We got some loud blue jays around here as well, and we got some neighbors that are doing some things, so I do apologize for the possible poor audio quality. This is a 2015 Lifestyle Luxury model number LS38RS. Just under 40 feet long, about 39 6 inches, give or take an inch. Empty weight, 14,200, give or take 100 pounds. That is a little heavier than most of your fifth wheel units at this size, but that is also, well, partly due to it being built for full-time use. When Lifestyle built this model, or this line of fifth wheels, they built it for full-time users. We did not buy it brand new. We bought it last year, 2017, from a couple in Grand Junction, Colorado. They had used it a handful of times. That's what they told us. And when we saw the interior and exterior, we knew they were telling the truth. Very few things, like the appliances, looked like they had been used. In fact, lots of the appliances still have the stickers on them. There's a view of the back end. You get a view of the other side, even though it doesn't look too much different than the first side you just saw. So we bought it from them in Grand Junction, Colorado, and towed it back here to Oregon. We do have a sticks and bricks house, but we decided, instead of selling it, we decided to rent it out, at least until we see how we like this full-time living. And so far, after a year, we're loving it. Actually, better than what we thought we would. So eventually we probably will sell the house. It's still going up in value. It's up in the Portland metro area, and property value is just skyrocketing up there. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time in the exterior. I'm sure you've seen videos, RV videos, where they spend a half hour, 45 minutes, an hour outside showing you every nook and cranny. I do have the basement open though, because I had to get my camera equipment out of there. So I'll show you that. It is a good sized basement, I think, compared to other ones I've seen, with easy access to any kind of repairs you need to do on water lines. A few screws will take this whole panel out here and over there to access tanks and such. So as you can see, after a year I have not filled it up yet, so I guess that's good. These steps here did not come with the unit. I bought those after we bought the fifth wheel and moved it back here to Oregon. Got those from mor-ryde. I had them shipped out and installed them myself. I'm not the most handy person in the world, but I was able to install those pretty easily. Lippert makes a similar product. I do prefer mor-ryde products over Lippert whenever whenever that choice is presented to me. I go for mor-ryde. I think they're a better company to deal with, great customer service, and I think they build a better product in most of their products. Alright, let's go inside. And I am not very good at video skills or narrating, so I'm going to go ahead and apologize for that now. I'm going to go ahead and take my flip-flops off so that I do not get in trouble from the wife. Now, this is a floor plan. If you've watched other videos or have gone RV shopping, you've seen this floor plan before, right? Living room in the back. Island, like a lot of RVs have. Now, what I do like, it's not just Lifestyle, there's plenty of manufacturers that are doing this now. Instead of putting the double sink, this is a double sink, right in the instead of putting right in the center of the island, they've moved it towards the end so you have more counter space to work with, which is like a, obvious move, I think. I like how they've come out with the counter kind of swept out a bit. Most floor plans you see, the line here, the counter line just continues right across there, and you don't have this cabinet space, or this counter space here. So you get a little bit more counter space, plus it makes this storage area back there very big and deep. It goes back quite a ways. Be amazed at how much junk, let's just say junk, that you can put back there. Has your fireplace that puts out pretty good heat in the wintertime. Works pretty good. The TV is a I don't remember what the size, 42, 45, 50? I really don't remember. The TV swings out. There's storage behind the TV. Storage up there. Storage there and there. This unit, we think, does have quite a bit of storage. I'm not sure if you noticed on the rear of the trailer, but there's actual basement in the back of the trailer. Smaller than the main basement, of course, up front, but below the couch there's compartments on the outside that you can access the basement through from the side. Two doors on the side of the outside of the trailer, and one bigger one on the back. I probably should have pointed that out. But a guitar that I never use, but I do have good intentions. I just haven't took one single lesson yet. For you electronic geeks such as myself, that thing with a little blue light on, that is hooked up to my TV. It's a Bluetooth transmitter, so it transmits the audio from the TV to my Bluetooth speakers that I have behind the lounge chairs. I do kind of have a little bit of cold going on, so I apologize for that. Runny nose is sniffing. So that audio system works really good for us. The dishwasher is running. I forgot to turn that off. We did not look for a unit with a dishwasher. This one just happened to come with one, and we actually love it. Your normal three burner gas stovetop, gas oven that we never use because the microwave is also a convection oven, and we use the heck out of that convection oven. Your standard RV fridge, double door though, not a residential fridge, and we're actually okay with that. The pantry, and it lights up when you open it up. Those lights did not come with the trailer. Those are lights that I found on Amazon. They're battery operated, motion activated LED lights. Got them for cheap on Amazon. Your normal bathroom configuration: one sink, a little bit of storage, not much. Actually, a decent sized shower. I'm 6 foot, 200 plus pounds. I won't say what the plus represents. Well, let's just say 200 plus. That's probably a more accurate description. This is a king bed. And unlike a lot of floor plans we saw that had a king bed, we can actually get in the bed from the side with plenty of room. I'm not sure how well it's showing up on the camera. I am using a lens that is purposely meant to capture as much video as it can, so it kind of constricts maybe some spaces. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but there is plenty of space between there. There's other floor plans with king beds that the only way I can get in and out of the bed when I tried it is to scoot in and out from the foot end, and I didn't like that at all. I like the little things like the cabinet space in there, or storage space, the little cubby holes here. I put my flashlight. When I come to bed, I just set my phone right there on that black tray, and as soon as I set my phone on there, it automatically starts charging my phone automatically. As you can tell, I'm kind of an electronic geek. Some would just say straight up geek. And that's about it. There is room back here for a washer and dryer. We do not have one. We have shelves in there. That's where I have most of my clothes. In fact, it's probably where I have all my clothes, because I'm not allowed to use a single square inch of the closet. That is my wife's. Off limits to me. She also has all those shelves back behind those doors. And she has these 3 drawers here. I am lucky enough, though, she tells me, that I'm allowed to use these three and those shelves back there. Okay, gentlemen, we all know who wears the pants in the household, who holds the whip. And there you go, a 2015 Lifestyle Luxury LS38RS. I will promise to get better at my video making skills. I plan to make more. I promise to get better, attempt to get better at my narration and not say so much and not sniffle while my nose is running. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.